The first trip on this journey of blacking out the F150 is going to be replacing this really long antenna on the side here with this Votex antenna. I believe it's 6 or 6.5 inches in height. A couple things that come in the package here. I've already actually opened it up. And then you got the antenna. Thank you card, don't need, and then a bag of what are probably post adapters. So let me get a couple tools, probably a small crescent wrench, and maybe a pair of pliers just in case, and we'll do this easy install. Easy enough here. Okay, antenna off. The nice thing here is that the base is actually still in really good shape, so I'm definitely happy about that. Looks like this might be our guy, at least for mine. See there? Yep, that's the one. So this one end just screws up inside there. We'll give it a little snug with the pliers. I'm not going to crush it. Snug it down like that. And we're done. That's it. Easy to do. Got a bag of leftover parts. Throw that in the miscellaneous screw and nut bucket. And that's it, y'all. Quick and easy. I mean, literally took me longer to make the video than it did to put it in. Let's just call it 5 minutes total. Cutting the package open and putting everything in place. But there you got it. And yeah, I like the way that looks. A little more slick back and a long antenna on it. Any comments, questions on this easy install? Leave them down below. Like and subscribe if you have not. We appreciate that. Appreciate you watching. Have a good one.